Here we're going to create a x vector of 10 random values. And now I'm going to call the function. And I need to supply two variables to receive the output from the function. So one is I called max x, and the other is called min x, equals find max and min. The input will be the vector x. So once we hit enter, you'll see that it outputs two values. One is 0.9706, the other is 0.1419, and we can easily check if the answer is correct or not. So here are 10 random values, and I glance over those values, and I'm pretty sure that the answers are correct. Here's a note that the variable used here, they do not have to be the same name as the variable defined in the function. And this is how it happens. I'm going to switch to the debug mode and then to show how those input and output values are transferred in and out of the function. I'm going to put a breaking point here, and then I'm going to rerun the function, and it stopped here. Right after we enter the function, you will see that the workspace is cleared and only the new variable v is listed. This is a private workspace for this particular function. So as we move on, let's say we get to the point of here that the function has already found the maximum and minimum value. I hit continue, and it stopped here. And now the values of the temp max and temp minimum will be assigned to the max value and minimum value. Those are the variables in the output list. And if I go to step and step, and at this point you will see that we have all the variables in the function listed in the workspace. And just watch out for the next step, that the max value and the min value will be copied to the max x and min x. And then the workspace will be disappeared and the original workspace will be restored. If I only provide one variable to receive the output data, then the second output data will be lost. Now I clear the workspace and regenerate the x vector. I will pull out the command I just used and generate the x vector of 10 random variables. Next, I'm going to call the function with only one output variable here. So only the maximum value will be received, but the minimum value will be lost.